Yes, hello guys, hope everyone is doing fine. Wherever you're watching from, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is your boy Babovin FX. Yeah, today we are not going to talk about forex trading. Yeah, there's something common I want to talk about. Yeah, so guys, I want to show you this. I bought this my Wi-Fi. Okay, currently I'm in my country, home country, Uganda. So most of the time I've been at other first world country like Dubai. You've been using Wi-Fi. So today I had to visit my country, Uganda. So with buying data, it's like it's too slow and it is costly. So what I'm doing, like most especially the device I have, they are heavy. So I need something like my Wi-Fi which will be running fast. So you can see this my Wi-Fi. Okay, I bought this my Wi-Fi from Airtel. Okay, so I want to show you guys how you can change your password, okay, and how you can log in into your account. Okay, because like I watched a certain video, one of the guy was explaining to people how should you how you can, let me say, logging into your my Wi-Fi account. And most cases, like I've been checking through the comments, viewers, they are commenting, like they are saying that I'm trying to log into my account but it's showing me incorrect password. Okay, but I've checked all video, like most, let me say, no one is talking about it. Okay, and what's funny is the guy even is not replying them. Guy, he's not replying them. Okay, so guys, this, you are into a right channel right now. So I'm going to show you direct how you should log in into your my Wi-Fi account without any problem. Okay, how you can fix all this problem. I will take you through all steps. Okay, because I had the same challenge. I was trying to log in into my account, so it was refusing. It was saying like incorrect password. I was like, there are like a lot of password. Let's say there's this IP address, then there's also this Wi-Fi key password. When you are, guys, let me tell you one thing. If you are logging in into your account, whereby, let me show you to the dashboard. When you're logging in, you should put on the password is simple. Okay, you should put the word just admin. Okay, so I search for, let me say I tried 10 times. The thing was not logging in. So let's go fast without wasting time. Okay, so for example, if you want to log into your my Wi-Fi account, this is whereby you can see the battery percentage, you can see how many people are using your Wi-Fi, where you can change your password, you can change your password, your my Wi-Fi username. Okay, so we are going to learn. When you go to your Google Chrome, okay, without wasting time, okay, you go to your Google Chrome. Okay, when you go to your Google Chrome, see guys, viewers, you need to, my camera, is it clear? Okay, you can see this, you can see this IP, my camera, yes, you can see this IP address, that one. It's always found on the back of your my Wi-Fi. Yeah, you put this address 192.168.11. Okay, don't leave space. Okay, where there's a point, those dots, you put them. Where there's this dot, you put them. Put the IP address according the way it is written on the back of this my Wi-Fi cover. Okay, so we are going to log in. I'm going to put one. Already it's there, so I'll just click on it. Okay. Then you're going to log in. Okay, from here it's bring you direct to the password. Okay, it will bring you direct to the password. What does it mean when they say password? Guys, don't disturb yourself, just come onto this back. Okay, come to the back. Okay, you can see this password. There is what they are written. There's a word there written, I hope you can see now. There's a word there written admin. This is the same thing you should put. Password, put admin. Put the word admin on. I repeat it again. Put the word admin. Admin. That word you are seeing. Then you log in into your account. Okay. I looked for the password. I was like, where is the password? Where is the password? Guys, it is simple as it is. Okay, this is what it is, guys. Just put login, put in admin, then you log in. Don't put any other password, just put the word you are seeing, admin. I searched for it, even I was looking which password should I put in. I tried multiple, even I tried this one, this ball fail. Just put on admin, then you log in. So we are going to put add admin. Okay, it's going to log in. Yeah, straight away you can see, guys, you can see we have logged in. Okay, so you can see here it's showing us right now 2 people. I connected my laptop and mobile, then percentage battery is 23, then this is the network. Okay, you can see. So guys, yeah, it's simple. So when you want to change your password name, you want to change the name and you want to change the password, you just click on device setting. Okay, when you click on device setting, you can see here, let me say pin code management, what on, but this one you can leave. Let's go back to the home page. Okay, now for example, if you are already, for me, I've changed my password. For example, if you want to change your password, you can come here to restart device. Okay, when you come to restart device, this is where you can, I think you can follow instruction and you change the name and etc. Okay, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Yeah, if this video was really useful to you, just smash the subscription button and also like, comment, share to your friend out there. Yeah, thank you so much. If you have watched this video real to the end, like, share. Okay, make sure subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be bringing more important content like this to you guys. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.